Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another festive makeup look. This is the look that I am going to be creating today. This is yet another very simple, very less time consuming, at the same time very beautiful look that you can definitely wear during your festivities or any special occasions. More so when you are in a hurry and you don't want to spend like much time getting ready, at the same time turn some hair, then this is the kind of look you can definitely consider. I'll jump straight into the video, but before doing so, you know what you have to do. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button in order to stay notified whenever I post. Please go ahead and also follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is mentioned on the screen. Starting off with my favorite Colorbar Match Perfecting Primer and spreading it evenly on my skin. Well, this step is optional. You can directly move on to the CC creams or BB creams. Here I am using IT Cosmetics CC cream, which has got an illuminating property as well. This is not available in India. You can go ahead and use any other CC creams or BB creams which are available in the market. Moving on to eyebrows, I am using Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. You can go ahead and use any other brow pencil. I am quickly finishing off my brow off camera and coming back. Now taking this Kajal from Lotus, I am creating the base for my smoky eyes. Now taking the Maybelline's Nudes palette, I am going to be layering the browns one by one on top of the black Kajal. Now repeating the same very thing for my lower lash line. Now taking this black eyeshadow, I am going for a smudged eyeliner look. Going with my current favorite mascara to complete my eye look. Since it's a no concealer look, I am going a bit extra with the blush. This highlighter gives such a nice glow from within kind of a look. I absolutely love it. For lipstick, I am going ahead with my newfound love from Nykaa's liquid lipstick collection. It's in their shade Bombae and I am in love. So that's the finished result, guys. I absolutely love how the look turned out. I myself love creating, smoky eyes, soft brown smoky eyes, or even smoky eyes in general. Let me know in the comment section if you are a fan of smoky eyes too. I think smoky eyes are so pretty, and these are so very suitable for any and every kind of occasions and even festivities. It absolutely does not consume much time. At the same time, it looks really nice when you wear it. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section the kind of videos you want me to make. I love making such videos which are recommended by you guys. Be happy, keep smiling. Bye.